your theme is here. So 1 and 2 and 3. This one you have a lot of
left hand switches.
Yeah. So it's very nice and slow, which is okay. But like this one, you're not going to be able to reach. So what they do is left hand. You see the number on the bottom there? That's going to be left hand. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1. Cannot reach, use the left hand. And 3. And I want you to count 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, while you hold that D, it's a lot of holding. See? Now you go across. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and tie. 1 and then that's why that's a finger 2. Fingering is so important in this one. 1 and 2 and 3. And then this G holding. Do separate hands. Do separate hands to get your holding. And then keep holding that G. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's your first phrase. And then left hand, just make sure you're doing that one. 1 and then and 2 and you count. And 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then 1. That one. 1 and 2. You can do that one with right hand. 1 and but then you have to let go of the left hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and. Now why that goes to finger 5 is because the left hand needs to play this. 1 and 2 and then that one's right hand because you can't reach. Okay? So this one, 1 and 2 and 3, that's right hand. And then because you're humming down, 1 and 2 and 3. And then because why is 1 to 4? Because your finger 1 needs to play the F there. 1, 2. And then that's 3, 5. See, 3, 5. And then 4 on the 1. And then that is left hand playing. And then that is right hand. So why you need to do a lot of separate hands, because you need to know which hand is playing what. If you really need to, after you photocopy, you get 2 different colors. I don't mean to highlight the whole thing, just the part where you're not very sure, then you can do like for example orange and you do that one. Da, da, dum, and then nothing because that's right hand, and then da, 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 change to 4 and then highlight that one, left hand, left hand, left hand. So it means the F and the D turn across. That's going to be left hand. So that's the left hand. That one is right hand. And then 1, 2, and 3, 1. And then that's left hand. That's all should be really clear. That's right hand, left hand. That should all be clear then. So it's just like the beginning part, the first 3 lines, really difficult because you're not sure. But once you drew a lot of separate hands, you should know. Then that is all quite straightforward until here. Then here, you can see that is going to be left hand. Right hand, 1 and 2. Sometimes you go by, oh, what can you reach up to? Okay, I can't reach that deep. I can reach that deep with my left hand. Okay, so that F is with the right hand. The D on the bottom is with the left hand. So sometimes the fingering gives it away as well. So the one on top and the one on bottom. So 1 and 2 and then on the 3 we have to move. You see that? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. That one 5 and then you're gonna turn. Then this one comes across. Because this one 1 and 2 and we go up. So the left hand is going to be doing this one. 1 and 2 and 3. So that one holds the F. 1. This is left hand. 1, finger 1 on the E. And then 2 and 3. 1, 2. So the 1, 4 on top tells you, oh, that's back to right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then this one should be quite quite straightforward. You know, that's all right hand. This is left hand. Until here, then you see the 2, 3. That tells you that one is left hand. Yeah, good. 1, da, dum, bum, ba, bum, bum. All left. That's all left hand. And then here, the 1, 5 tells you that one is left hand. Up, bum, 2, 3. That one, 1, 5 on top tells you, oh, that one's back to right hand. Why? Because we're going down. And then the 1, 5 tells you that's left hand, left hand. But that one, 1, 5 tells you is right hand. Because we're turning to the finger 1. And that's left hand, left hand. All left hand. Yep. Left hand, and then that one cannot reach. Number on the bottom is left hand. Okay? And then back to. And then that's right hand, AC. Left hand. Okay? So then that comes back again. So this one, because I've done this with another student as well, so show them like which one is left hand, right hand. There are markings on here, so should be quite straightforward because I've done some of them, like wrote out for them.
What does this song work on?
Voicings. See? 3 voices. Before invention, only 2. This one, 1, 2, 3. And then sometimes it's bottom 2, sometimes it's the top 2, but you have 3 voices going on. That's why this one's